Hello guys, today me and my brother are going to play Roblox Brookhaven roleplay. We're gonna play Brookhaven. This is him, his name is Zion. Say hi. Hi. Come. Sakay tayo sa car. Ako yung dagay. Okay. We are brothers and sisters. Let's go. Roommate me, bro. Wait. Wag di ka gagalaw kayo. Roommate na dito. Roommate. Roommate na dito. Wala. Bibili ako food. Wait. Wait. Open mo yung bank. Okay. Wait sa may bank. May secret ako. Saan yung bank is over here? Hindi ito eh. Hindi mo alam? Bibili lang ako food. Iita tayo. Where is my brother? Bibili ako food. Ano? Oh, look at that. How? Paano ate? I'm going to go to Zion. Where is here? Where is he? Huh? Oh, there. Can I come with you? Okay. Uy, ako yung driver. He can't spell. This is our Filipino style. Let's go to the mall. Ito yung mall. Hey, come on. Where, bro? Bibili tayo sa pizza store. Let's go. Where's my pizza? Oh, it's raining pizza. Bibili tayo. I'm gonna wait the most. Oh, I'm the strongest. I'll drink water. Drinks water. Eats pizza. Ate, maksyuko na. Maksyuko ah. Babala tayo. I'm gonna do ballet. Ate, babalik ako dyan. Wait no, lang. I wanna come to. Can we go to the supermarket? The supermarket. Oy. Oh, I wanna buy some. Okay. Reese's cups. Hershey. I don't like Coke. I like water. Pizza. Get me out of here. I want Doritos in the book. Hey, get out. And I want milk and ice cream. Ate, come on tayo. Wait. I'm still buying food. I'm gonna pay for free. The discount, it cost me $1. $5 alaw ako. Ako yung driver. Whee! Can we go swimming? Yes. This is the police office. I want to go to swim. What? Why are you? Yeah. I'll put my groceries down.
Okay then.
Whoa.
Ate, look. Wala ko lang. Ate, alis ka tayo.
Okay.
Look.
I got my groceries back. Why are you back, bro? Where are we going?
Dun ikaw.
I'm at the back seat. But why am I in the back seat, bro?
Wait, may secret yata ako. Alam mo paano yung secret? Put your ladder. Put it your back. Okay, mali yung back.
Oh, wait. Oh, okay. Let me check my settings.
Natawa ate, natawa.
Come on. Where are we going? Where are we going? Police station? Can we go home? I'm going home. Bye. I'll take my bicycle. La la la. Time to go in my brother's home and die. Who was that? He's gonna come inside of my house. I'll put the groceries. Oh, he's there. Come on. The car is new. I'm gonna park it. Oh, I don't need to. Where's my room? Zion, where's my room? Show me my room. And I'm gonna sleep upstairs. Okay. Oh no, I'm gonna be late for school. Can I go to school?
Yes.
I'm late. This is my brother. Here. Yes.
Maganda pa nga ito kay Jackie ano, ito isa.
Wait, why did you stop? Yes, school. Not that. I'm not daycare. Yes, the school. Bye. I'm gonna be late. Where's my food? Get ready for part 2.